Question number 6. Find the exact value of the integration of 4 cos of square of 2x plus 3 tangent square of x with respect to dx, where the limit from pi by 6 to pi by 3. To solve this integration, we will need to apply some identities, trigonometric identities. For example, cos of square of theta is equal to 1 plus cos of 2 theta over 2. And we also know that tangent square of theta is equals to the secant of square of theta minus 1. So we will use these identity to solve given integration. For example, this one is equal to integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3. 4 cos square of 2x can be written as 1 plus cos of 4x over 2 plus 3 tangent square of x can be written as secant of square of x minus 1, and this one is integrated with respect to dx. So further solving, we will have this one is 2. So integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 cos of 4x plus 3 secant of square of x minus 3. Okay, further solving, we will have integration from pi by 6 to pi by 3. 2 cos of 4x plus 3 secant of square of x minus 1 with respect to dx. Now apply the integration first. So 2, the integration of cos of 4x is equal to sine of 4x over 4 plus 3 integration of secant of square of x is equal to tangent of x, and integration of 1 is x. Limit from pi by 6 to pi by 3. First we apply the upper limit. So sine of 4 of pi by 3 over 2 plus 3 tangent of pi by 3 minus pi by 3 minus, apply the lower limit, which is sine of 4x means 4 times pi by 6 over 2 plus 3 tangent of x means tangent of pi by 6 minus x means pi by 6. Now sine 4 pi by 3 is equal to under root 3 over 2 in negative over 2 plus 3 tangent pi by 3 is equals to the under root 3 minus pi by 3 minus, and sine 4 pi by 6 is equals to the under root 3 over 2 plus 3 tangent pi by 6 is equals to 1 over under root 3 minus pi by 6. So this one is equal to negative under root 3 over 4 plus 3 under root 3 minus pi by 3 minus under root 3 over 4 minus 3 over under root 3 and minus pi positive pi by 6. Negative pi by under root 3 over 4 and negative under root 3 over 4 is equals to negative 2 under root 3 over 4, and this one is equals to under root 3. So 3 under root 3 minus under root 3 is 2 under root 3, and this one is plus pi by 6 minus pi by 3. This one is equals to 2. So taking LCM, we will have under root 3 in negative, and this one is plus 4 under root 3 over 2 plus, and this one is 6 pi minus 2 pi. So we will have 3 under root 3 over 2 minus pi by 6. So the exact value of the given integration is under 3 under root 3 over 2 minus pi by 6, which was required.